Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. It's kind of like an everyday soft glam. Show you guys a little bit on the products that I've been loving lately. Honestly, it's nothing special, if I would say. Just a look that I would wear if I were to go out on a Friday night. I really loved how everything turned out. It's definitely something wearable, something very easy. I feel like I've done this look so many times, but the only different thing is that earlier today it was very sunny and the light was coming through the big window I have right here in front of my room. Obviously it's night because it did take me time to film this look. You guys will see a little bit on how natural light looks when I'm doing my glam, if that makes sense. You guys will see a little bit on how my makeup looks on natural lighting, which is really cool. And I'm gonna start to do videos like that. Let me know also on the comments down below if you guys want to see more tutorials like that, and I promise to do it earlier so you guys can see the full final results. I hope you enjoyed the video and the look. So if you guys want to learn how I did this look, then please continue watching. Hey guys, so I know it's a very weird setup today. I don't have all my lights like I usually do, but I'm literally sitting in front of my light, right? I mean my big window in my room, so that's why it looks kind of different. I feel like I wanted to show you guys like natural daylight makeup, if that makes sense. I know that a lot of times my looks can be deceiving. Like some of you say that, you know, my foundation looks too yellow or too golden or just not the right color for me, but today I wanted to just show you guys right in front of my window and no lighting, literally no lighting, only that light and the light from the candle. It's currently 3:34 right here, so it's not that late. The sun sets like around 5:30, so hopefully I still have good daylight. So today I am actually gonna go out. I'm gonna go out with my sister and her boyfriend. I'm gonna be third wheel, sadly. It's fine. But I think we're just gonna go to the casinos, gamble a little, you know, have a little bit of cocktails, or I don't know what we're gonna do, but it's a Friday night, so. But I'm gonna first start off with my Too Faced Hangover RX Good in Bed Hydrating Serum. It's this one right here. You guys, when I tell you guys this serum is so nice, it's really nice. It's very hydrating, and then when I apply it with my hands, it just feels so good. Like it's like a gripping kind of primer too. Like you can use it as a primer alone, which I really love. This has been like my current favorite. So a lot of you guys on my last video thought that my birthday was the day I upload my video, which is like not the case. My birthday's actually on Sunday, so today is January 17. It's not until the 19th. So now I'm going to be using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer from Milk. I like to apply some on the back of my hand first, like this. The consistency is kind of like a transparent green. So what I like to do is dot my primer. This makeup is actually what I do most of the time when I go out or like go out for drinks and stuff. It's not special at all. It's like more of a soft glam and a little bit of glow, which I love. Like I get compliments all the time with this, and I don't even try that much because I'm not even wearing foundation or anything. I also like to apply it now with a brush, not with my hands. So now for the whole entire face, I'm going to be using this Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And I do like to apply this all over my face with my hands because I like to feel the consistency, like how it grips onto my skin. I don't know, it's weird. And then you can use this alone too. I do use it alone sometimes, and I feel like it's like a skincare kind of product for me. Oh my god, it's so grippy, you guys. Like this is slowly becoming one of my favorite primers, and I've been really into gripping hydrating primers. They're just like the best right now for my skin, especially because my skin is so dry lately. So now I'm going to be applying my Hangover RX infused with peach extract. I'm just gonna like that. And then with my fan, I just like to kind of run it through. And then I do like to take my Skindinavia, the makeup primer spray. It's an oil control spray, which I do feel like it does control my oils throughout the day, just only on my T-zone. Alright, so now that we have that good to go, we're good for priming. Now I'm just going to start to conceal. If you guys know, I have not used foundation in so long, it's crazy. Maybe like 3 months, 3 or 4 months, I'm not sure, but I have not used foundation. And this is literally what I've been using for like my whole entire like spot correcting under my eyes and all that. The Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer, and I use the shade Cookie. So what I do is I pretty much apply this underneath my eye. I know this may seem like a lot, but I'm spreading the product all the way down my cheeks, if that even makes sense. It's not even a lot of product, as you guys can see. Can you guys tell? Like, that's how much product I put under my eyes, if you guys want to know. Like that. And it just looks like a lot because I'm spreading it, like, if that even makes sense. Like, it would be a lot if I went in and then did it again, which I just messed up right now, so I'm just going to take a lot from that. And I like to also apply this on my nose, forehead. You see how I'm not dipping it back? Like, it might seem like a lot, but it's just, I'm just spreading it even, if that even makes sense. And I'm not even going back in. Whatever I have on the, kind of like on the packet, on whatever I have kind of like on the mouth of the packaging, I just, you know, apply wherever I need it. Honestly, like, I don't apply foundation anymore. I just spot correct, and that's pretty much it. And a lot of people are probably like, might as well wear foundation, but honestly, when I wear foundation, it just feels so cakey now. It's very weird. But I'm gonna be using my new beauty blender. This is the Wet Me beauty blender, if I'm not mistaken, but it literally changes colors when you touch it, or even when you wet it, which is really, really cool and super innovative. So now I'm just going to be blending my concealer. And then also sometimes what I do like to do is take my fan and just kind of let it dry, like let my concealer dry for a little bit, but I feel like it dried while I was talking to you guys, so I'm not gonna do that. The beauty blender is so cute. I love the color and how it changes color. Like, you see how I spread the whole entire foundation. That's why I feel like they're called multi-use, because it's literally like foundation. You can use it for anything. We're pretty much done with this side. As you guys can see, it's very, very nice and corrected. So now we're gonna start on this side. Let me know if you guys like this whole vibe, like in front of my window, no lighting. I will for sure film more videos like this if you guys like them. And let me know on the comments down below, or just like the video. And also, you guys, you never see behind the scenes. My room was a mess like a week ago, and I told myself I'm gonna keep my room clean because this is like my work area. I don't have a filming studio or anything. I work from my room pretty much, but I'm gonna keep my room clean. That's what I told myself. Like, that's one of my goals, is to keep my studio room / bedroom clean for 2020. And if you need any more coverage, I do go back again with the concealer and just spot correct a little bit more. I feel like this area right here is where I have dark spots, especially like right here where I break out the most for some odd reason, but I'm just gonna let that sit a little bit so I could get a little bit more full coverage. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start to highlight a little bit, and I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tip Concealer in the shade Medium. And all I got, and I'm gonna do is just do that. I'm going to be using Medium Sand to highlight a little bit more. And then I'm just going to get my fan and just let it dry a little bit more. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer. And also let me know if you guys want to see like a highlighting slash contour video. I'm so down to do. I've been actually wanting to do a video like that for so long, but as you guys can see, I slack. So also this year I told myself that I had to do more videos like I used to. I remember when I was alone and like not even have like a management team or anything, like nobody on my side, like I would just do it myself. I would literally get content and video out like nothing. I was definitely like striving, you know, like I was definitely growing. My channel grew so much just on my own by myself. Like I told myself I have to do this on my own. Like nobody, if I don't worry about myself, like who will, you know what I mean? So I'm definitely just focusing on myself now and nobody else, like my energy, my time, and everything. So now I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake in the shade Pound Cake. This is their setting powder. The best setting powder, honestly, the best setting powder. And I'm not gonna set it with the beauty blender. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. sponge that I'm really loving. I've been really liking, and I like how it also like spreads the powder really evenly under my skin. Where's my brush? ¿Dónde está mi brocha? This needs ice. Are any of you guys like slow drinkers? Like I am so slow at drinking. Except my alcohol beverages, but I'm a very slow drinker when it comes to like even, you know, acai refreshers or coffee, but not my alcohol, even my freaking water. But now I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Tan. All I do is add a little bit more coverage. So now I'm just gonna warm up my face. I love taking my Fenty Beauty bronzers. I'm gonna first take this shade Eilentings. All I'm gonna do is just bronze up. A lot of people ask me if I tan, and no girl, I don't tan. Never tanned in my life. You know what I've done though? I've done like body glows. That's not even tanning. This is my natural skin tone. Don't have to tan. This is not fake tanning. But yeah, a lot of you ask me like even like what kind of ethnicity I am, and I'm Mexican. I'm like, I'm Mexican. Now I'm gonna add my blush. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe Warm Master blush. So now I'm just gonna bake underneath. So now that my brows are good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. And for this eyeshadow, I usually just do like an orange transition color, which I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Amrezi palette. I'm gonna be taking OG, and all I'm gonna do is focus the shade right here on the crease. And then I'm gonna take New Yorker. So today I'm going to be taking the BADDIE lashes in the style Saucy. These are actually a new pair. Always so excited to use a new pair of BADDIE lashes. Also, I have a discount code if you guys want to purchase them. It will save you a good buck. So yeah, just letting you know. Like, there's no more light, so I'm just gonna like that because there's literally no more light. It's already 4. What the hell? I thought it's set at 6. So now I'm just gonna put mascara underneath my lashes. So now I'm going to be taking the Sarahiiy Los Angeles Glazed Lit palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Glow Gal. I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. Then I'm also going to be applying this on the tip of my nose and the down on my bridge. Right here on the inner corner. Alright, so we're pretty much good to go with the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Good news, I did buy the MAC, this is actually a new one, new lipstick. The Impulsive lipstick that I lost, that I told you guys about. I got one finally. So now I'm gonna be taking the Morphe lip liner in Spiffy. That, and I'm gonna be taking my favorite lipstick from MAC. And you can leave it like this. I absolutely love how this combo looks like. You could either also pair it with lip gloss. I do that sometimes and I really like it. But I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Sand liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on the center just to make it look kind of ombre. And then with my lip liner, what I like to do is just kind of blend it out. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with this look. I'm gonna go out like this right now with my sister. But this is it, you guys. I really loved how everything turned out. I'm really obsessed, honestly. This is definitely a soft look. I've been doing soft looks for the longest now. I feel like people know about the soft looks now, but I've been doing them forever, and people are actually love them now. I remember I would get so much hate because I would do and redo the same look, but honestly it's so nice. It literally complements everything on my wardrobes. That's why I love doing this look. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup. And alright, so my camera decided to turn off on me right here. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.